I deleted 94% of my Instagram follows. Not because I wanted to be small, because I was tired of building on sand. This isn't a growth strategy video. This is a stop chasing and start building video. Because when I stopped forcing my life to change, it finally started working. I remembered the date because I hit a wall. I was doing everything, right? Vocals, tactics, daily meditation. When I remembered chakra alignment, law of attraction, I was saying the words, checking the boxes, forcing positivity into every negative thought. And my reality looked exactly the same. Same struggles, same patterns, same exhaustion. I was trying to build a life on a foundation that wasn't mine, using other people's blueprints, other people's shoulds, other people's definition of what is success. The house kept falling down though, and I was angry about it, blaming algorithms, blaming the platforms, blaming everyone else for not seeing my value. Then I stopped. Not stopped working, stopped forcing. I stopped trying to fix my business, my relationship, my income, my environment. I stopped trying to fix everything outside of me, and I started trying to fix how I see. Not positive thinking, not forcing gratitude, not pretending everything was fine, but objective thinking. Seeing the situations without immediate judgment. Noticing my patterns without shame. Accepting my part in what I created, both the good and the bad. The shift wasn't external, it was internal. And when the internal shifted, the external started following. Not because I chased it, because I stopped needing to change. I built the system not for business growth, for me. I call it the objective reset. The reset mindset, clearing old patterns instead of fighting them, stopping the momentum of negative loops, starting fresh daily. Objective thinking, seeing what is not what I wish was, removing the story I tell myself about events, just the facts. The daily practice, meditation, not as an escape, but as a foundation, pouring consistency over intensity, showing up even when I don't feel like it. Energy alignment, chakra work meets intention, not the woohoo awareness. Where is my energy leaking? Where am I forcing instead of flowing? Then the code of conduct, walking through interactions without regret, knowing I handled myself with integrity, sleeping soundly at night because my actions matched my values. This isn't a business strategy. It's a life strategy. And my business just happened to be the first thing that reflected it back to me. 14 days I had tracked everything, not because I was obsessed with the growth, because I was testing whether my internal shift would show up externally. I stopped posting everywhere and started choosing presence. I deleted 94% of my Instagram followers, bots, stalkers, people who drain my energy, restricted my account to manually approve only. I stopped forcing content and started sharing what was actually true. I set boundaries that scared me, and my business grew. 120% in 14 days, my TikTok grew 231%. My YouTube subscribers doubled. Not because I chased growth, because I stopped chasing. Not because I hacked an algorithm, because I finally aligned with my own. This isn't a tactic, it's evidence. I built the Objective Reset Blueprint Kit because I needed it, and it didn't exist. Not another how to grow your business guide, a how to build a foundation so your business grows itself guide. Not another think positive mantra, a systematic way to change how you see so your reality has no choice but to follow. The kit includes a reset assessment where is your foundation cracked, the mindset shift workbook, rewriting without forcing, the daily practice guide, meditation that actually sticks, the energy alignment tool, finding your flow, not your force, the conduct framework, walking through life without regret. It's free because I wanted you to test the foundation before you trust me with the full build. Because when you change internally, you won't need me to tell you what to do externally. You'll just know. The blueprint gives you the foundation. The full objective reset system gives you the house. The reset mini course stops the panic, starts the plan. The objective thinking builds your own clarity system. Meditation mastery is embodying the practice. Chakra and law of attraction, integration, alignment, energy, and intention. The code of contact, maintain the foundation while you grow. I pour the foundation. That lets you build it yourself, and I hold the form while you pour it. If you're ready to stop chasing and start building, check the link in the description. I don't teach you how to get 1,000 followers. I teach you how to be someone worth following. I don't teach you how to make money. I teach you how to be someone that money flows toward. I don't teach you how to post. I teach you how to see. Start your foundation. Download the Objective Reset Blueprint Kit today. The link is in description. I'll see you in the next one.